migraine headaches? Here's how to fix it. You want to do the hey, because when you do that hey, it tells you exactly where you need to press in order to help your migraine headaches. Now I'm talking about migraine headaches that are in the back, occipital neuralgia. So they're in the back of your head. So in the back of your head. So if you imagine your whole hand is like your head, right? So you see the top of my head goes like this, right? Guess where the back of my head hits my arm, basically, right? It hits it right here in the wrist area, right? So this wrist area corresponds to the back of your head. So if you got headaches in the back of your head, you want to do the hey right here. So right here, you want to press all around this wrist area, especially this area right here. This area right here is usually pretty sore, right? And you notice when you push on the back of your head where your head actually hurts, it's bone. So you want to find a bone on your wrist. So guess where the bone is? Right there, right here, right? Push on that bone and it helps this bone back here. It decreases the inflammation and decreases the migraine headaches. Make sure you give this a try and make sure you click the follow button.